Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to pop on quickly and do a quick reveal unboxing of a piece that I picked up while I was on vacation. I saw this piece online, but then I saw it unboxed on Pink Butterfly Girl's channel, and I really liked it, and I thought I would like to pick it up and make it a part of my collection. So this is from the Summer Stardust collection. And in person, these pieces are really beautiful. So it's just a small leather good. And this is what I picked up. So I got the clay pochette or key pouch in the color Verdure, which is water green. And this is really pretty in person. It kind of shifts from a green to a blue, and then that I guess beigey light cream color. It's really pretty. This is the back. Silver hardware. And the clasp is silver. Yes, but I'm not going to put my keys on this. I'll just use this, I guess, mainly for cards or cash. I don't even think I'll put coins because I don't want it to get ruined. But yeah, this is the piece that I picked up. The key pouch from the Summer Stardust collection. All right, guys, so thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, leave them below, and I will see you in the next video.